Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Casper Coin. One of my viewers had asked for me to do a price prediction on it, so I'm going to do it. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to see if there's any potential entries for making a profit. I do see some, so I'm going to share that with you guys. For those of you guys that are new, what I do is I jump into trades. I let you know what my entry point is going to be, and I pick my exit point. And more often than not, it'll swing up and it'll touch my exit point, and I'll make some money. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen my channel before, keep watching. You're going to see some stuff you haven't seen, and by the end of it, you're probably going to subscribe over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Trust me. Okay, so let's keep going. Let me share my screen with you guys. Ding, ding, ding. Hold on a second. Bam, bam. There we go. I'm over on Trading View. Trading View, there it is. CSPR right there. It's at 0.0364 right there. Bottom right-hand corner of what you're looking at now. And what I do, for those of you guys that are new, is as I mentioned, I draw bases on charts. And you'll see some bases, some lines drawn in here. And what happens is when price action breaks those bases, more often than not, it'll swing down, hang out for a while. And then what does it do? It comes back up and it touches that line. So that lets me know where the dip is, okay? All right, it's kind of like right there. Here's an example. Let me show you guys that base right there. It broke it, swung down and came back up and touched it. So if I would have come in here and I would have bought somewhere in that range, I could have rode it back up and made a profit, okay? Let me keep going here. There's a base. It broke that one. It swung down and came back up. And this is a one-day chart. One day, 1, 2, 3 days later, boom, shot up and took profit. So I could have bought somewhere down here. There's another one. Did it right there too. All right, we'll keep moving here. There's one. It broke it. And then what did it do? 3 days later, it came up and touched it. And then it broke it again. And look how far down it went. All the way down here. Everyone, I'm sure, was freaking out and selling and thinking the end of the world's coming. And then what happened? It lingered for a while on the bottom. And then it shot back up, right? And it caught right there. It hit it right there. It did it there, broke that base and came down. It broke another base right there and came down. And it broke that base and came back up. And it broke, let me move this around here. Just a quick one right there. Boom. Broke that base, came back up. Broke that one and came back up. It broke this one right here and came up. Okay. So if you guys are, oh, look, on the big one, on the big daddy right here, it broke this one. Everyone freaked out. This is July of 2021 or June of 2021. And look, it came back right over here, bing, on one day right there on November. So it broke in June, came back in November. So all these people sold. And then later on, they learned that it came back. And they're like, mother, you know what I'm thinking. Okay, so if you guys are seeing some stuff you haven't seen before, please look down below the video right here. There's one of these, a thumbs up sign. If you guys could click it, tap it with your finger, click it with your mouse. That lets me know that you guys are valuing the information and you're going, hey, maybe there is something to this method. And also it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. They start recommending my channel to more people, and that's probably how you came across me. Okay, and it doesn't cost you anything. So let me go back to the screen. Boing. Okay, going on another yacht ride here soon, guys. I might try to make a video for you guys. I did it previously. Okay, let me keep moving over here. Oh, my stomach. Okay, ready? Broke right there, came back up. This one over here, we're kind of still waiting on. I'll drag that one over a little bit more, somewhere right in there. So it broke that one, hit right there. It broke that one, came up. It broke that one, came back up. Broke that one, came back up. Okay, so we're still continuing. All right, so this is kind of the future, guys. Remember how over here I said that this long one right here, right there, came back? It's kind of the same thing. For many months, nobody could see what the future was going to hold. And then ultimately it came back up. Kind of the same thing right here. We don't know what the future is going to hold in this area. But based upon history of it coming back, more often than not, it should come back up and swing up through these levels here. Okay, so here's my price prediction right there. Let me blow it up a little bit so you guys can see it. Hold on. Don't leave yet. Boom. All right. Let's see what that does. There you go. So you guys can write that down, get your crayons out, get your pencil out, take a photo with your camera. This is not advice, guys. This is just how I trade. It's just my opinion on what works for me. More often than not, things are swinging back around. I'm in the red on a lot of the stuff earlier this year, but things are starting to come around. You can see over here in the far right-hand corner, there's a lot of green starting to appear. You know, you'll have some days of red, but overall, things are trending upward. Okay, doesn't mean that they're not going to go back down, so you have to be prepared to hold. Okay, but at least you know that you're buying somewhere down in the dip. For me, if I'm jumping in right now, I'm buying that way down here, and I'm going to set my take profit somewhere low, like just, you know, maybe this line or maybe even in this line. So, you know, just these two areas can make you quite a bit of money. So we're going to calculate that out real quick. All right, here's my spreadsheet. if you guys want a copy of this spreadsheet, I'll explain it in just a second and I'll email it to you for free. Okay, so here's my spreadsheet. What I do is I come in, I put my entry price, and we already saw what the entry price is right here, 0.0365. Okay, there it is. And then I put in my exit price. And then what it does is it calculates out what my profit will be and what my percentage of profit will be. And over here, I can change this. I just change this. Let's say I have $200 I want to spend. Boom. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in that lower amount. Remember, I told you I was going to probably I don't have to wait for it to go all the way up. I could if I wanted to, but I don't, so I won't. And I'm going to get a short profit. I'm going to take it. Okay, so I'm going to enter in these two numbers on my spreadsheet. Okay, keep listening, guys, because I'm going to tell you how you can get my spreadsheet if you want it. So I'm going to take 0.0578. I'm going to put it over here, 0.0578. So I'm making 59% of my money on just going for the basic minimum here. Boom. Wait, no, right there. Just that little line right there. Let me drag that across. Just that little distance right there makes me 59% of my money. Okay, so let's go to the next one. 0.0729. 0.00729. Bam. 100% of my money, guys. If I put 200 in, I make 200. If I put 500, I make 500. 2,500, 2,500. And that's only to this line right. Where am I at? Roughly right in there. Just that little line right over here. Kind of right in that area. Okay? That's not much of a jump. You could get there in one day. There's been coins lately that have been jumping that much in one day. Okay, so if you guys want a copy of the spreadsheet, then go over to my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points. Follow me over there. And follow me over here on the YouTube channel too. On the bottom right-hand corner of the screen you're looking at, there's a little icon. If you could click it or tap it, and then when the bell pops up, choose all so that you're notified when I come up with more videos. And if you guys are stuck in on any coins, down below the video that you're looking at right now, you can add a comment and say, hey, I'm thinking of getting into Ren, or I'm thinking of getting into, I don't know, any other coin. What do you think? What do you see? Do you see a dip? If I jump in now, would I be in a dip? Just let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to do a video for you guys, okay? All right, let me get back to the screen. Bam. Okay, so follow me over on Investing Points, my Instagram channel, and then send me a DM, a direct message, and just say, hey, Ryan, will you send me the spreadsheet? And I will email it to you guys. Just let me know what email address I can send it to. And you can see here, I've got quite a few people in here that have been asking for spreadsheets for a while now. Okay, so I email that to everybody. All right, and then on my YouTube channel, if you click on my username, you'll come to this. And if you click on videos, you'll come to this and you'll see these ones that took profit. Let me go down a little bit. Took profit. Okay. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope it's helped you. If you've got friends that are doing crypto too, send them a link to this video and I will see you guys on more videos. Okay. And it's not snowing where I'm at. I just found this an interesting background. Okay. All right. Thanks guys for watching and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.